my channel. If you guys want to know all the details about this beautiful wig that I'm wearing, please don't go anywhere. Before we start with today's video, go ahead and give me a like and also a subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's get started with the video. Alright, so here I'm showing you guys how the wig looks straight out the package. This is the nape area. It has baby hairs, and it also has baby hairs in the front. This is a synthetic braided wig with Faux Locs curly river hair, and it's an ombre brown, and they do have like the little loose strands of the curly hair in there. And this wig is from SOKU hair on Aliexpress. They have a few different colors. They do have black and like a number 4, and then they have like this mixed one, and they also have choices to get it in a headband if you want to do a headband. So they have like 5 different choices for you and like 3 different colors that you can choose from. It does ship FedEx. I received this wig in like a couple days, and the cost is about $45. This video is a partnership with SOKU hair actually, so they did send me this wig. So yeah, we're partnering with them today, and I'm just showing you guys how this unit looks. And I really do like the style. I think it's different, and I think it's definitely a wig that I will wear on vacation. And I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about my thoughts and opinions. Here I'm showing you guys how much bounce it has, how full it is. It is very dense in the front, so you will have to play around with it with some bobby pins and stuff like that to make it look less wiggy. I like how these baby hairs are. They're not too thick or not too thin, so they look very realistic in the front. So you can do a lot of things with this wig. Like I said, I decided to do a completely glueless look, so I did not put any products on this hair. All I did was cut off the lace, and then I just put the baby hairs out, and that was it. Besides me clipping it up and playing with it a little bit, I didn't do anything else to this wig. So I will say that this is vacation worthy hair. Like, this will be a wig I will wear on vacation. If I had multiple wigs and I wanted to get multiple looks, I would definitely take this wig. Now, the wig, like I said, is very dense in the front, so you can see the wig in the front a little bit, but you play around with it with some bobby pins and all that. You can hide it. I was thinking about doing like a scarf look with this. I will show you guys how it looks with like a nice fitted hat. Well, not a fitted hat, but like one of those nice beachy hats. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like with that. And then, you can do a lot of stuff. So if you want to see some different styles with this wig, I can do a part 2, because I'm actually excited to try to wear this wig on vacation and do some styles with it. You can also add some hair jewelry if you want. You can add some little twist in the front. There's just a lot of options with this wig that I really appreciate it, and I just thought it was overall beautiful. Even though it's dense in the front, that can always be fixed. You can take a couple pieces of hair out. That's not an issue, but yeah, you can just do it however you want. But for $45, I thought that this wig looked better than what I expected. So if you do decide to purchase this hair, this is basically how it's gonna look, and I would suggest that you wear it completely glueless. Don't put glue on it, because that's gonna take away from the hair, and then it's gonna really look fake. I think if you put glue on it, I think that takes away from the whole look. So yeah, this is just me styling it. I'm showing you guys a couple ways, not even how I would style it, but just showing you. I'm just playing around with the hair just to show you how dense it is in the front, how full it is. And then I'm just gonna basically pin it up. I didn't show you guys on camera, but I did just pin the sides. I just did like a little twist, and I pinned it up just to take away from how dense it was in the front, so that the baby hairs can have their shine and it could look real realistic. So that's pretty much all that I did with this hair. The hair, it didn't tangle on me. I just basically put this wig in a satin bag to keep up with it, and that's all. So when I go on vacation, y'all might see me wearing this hair, because it is very beautiful. It's long, vibrant, and full, just how I like it. And if you guys have any questions about this hair, please don't forget to comment down below. You can, ask me anything about this hair, and I'll be sure to respond. Also, I'm going to be putting the link down below for you guys, so you can go look at it on Aliexpress. And yeah, I got some really good clips of this hair. showing you guys how it looks. I actually sent this hair to like my mom and showed her, and she likes it a lot. And some family members that I showed them, they actually like it. So yeah, you guys, yeah, this is pretty much it for the look. I'm going to be showing you guys just the final overview of how I styled it, and that's going to be it for today's video. So if you like today's content, please don't forget to like and subscribe, sis. Yes. She is really pretty. But as always, it's my pleasure, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.